Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the background color of the single page in Microsoft Word. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. By default, Microsoft Word uses white as the default page color for all documents. If you'd like to use a custom color for your page, you can change the page color in Word. But in Word, you can use any color as the background color for your pages. You can even get Word to print this background color, which is does not by default by configuring an option in the app. But what if you want to just change the one page color on your Word document? So simple. So I will show you. We can open the Word. We'll show you on this blank document. Wait, I will change the orientation so you can see it more clearly. We'll add new blank page. Okay, now we have three page, three white page on our Word. Now we want to change color. You can change the color on the design section on the menu bar. You'll find there is an option change page color. If you choose it, choose the change the page color in here, all the page will be changed. Page 1, page 2, page 3 will have the same color. But what if you want to just change one color on your Word document? Like maybe you want to give color only for this page 2. It's very simple, don't worry. So we'll create the like this. Okay, so after you finish writing your text on your Word document, you want to change the color. Okay, now we want to change color only for this page 2. You can go to insert, you can click on shapes, choose the shape size. Okay, you can just shape it all the page like this. Now you can click on shape fill. You can choose on the color that you want to use for this page. Now you have a coloring page on your Word document, but we can't see the your writing right the text. Don't worry, still in here. You can go to wrap text. You can click on wrap text and choose on behind text. Click on behind text. So here you go. It's very simple, right? So that is now you have change color for one page on your Word document. So simple, right? So that is how to change a single page color in Microsoft Word. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.